A real teacher explains each problem you miss. Ahem. Take it away. We start with the bigger number, 5, and count on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Huh, thanks, Teach. Before starting your free trial, make your very own monster. Oh my, that is one interesting monster you've made. I love it! The ideal usage is 3 days a week for just 20 minutes each. Screen time is useful, but important to limit. So we designed Adapted Mind, so your kid can get in, learn, and get out. Like literally, get outside or do something creative. And did you know that over 95% of members improve both math confidence and ability? We know you need to see the results for yourself. You can try Adapted Mind free for your first month with no commitment. So let's get started. Parent, what's your email address?